this also. At the back too. So you see. So, and people along the beach. Yeah. Everywhere. Everywhere. There's some more of the school.
Okay.
And I will end this video soon and very interesting. It's not too passive. They are doing the Thai boxing thing. Interesting. All this long, interesting parade for the long traditional boat. So keep tuned.